Let's be real, most kitchens are a mess. No matter how hard you try to keep things organized, somehow, clutter sneaks back in. Drawers are stuffed with random utensils, countertops become a dumping ground, and finding that one spice jar? It's like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify it all? A way to create a sleek, modern kitchen where everything has its place, where cooking feels effortless, and where you're not constantly battling the chaos. In this video, I'm breaking down the best minimalist kitchen organization hacks that will save space, cut the clutter, and make your kitchen look and function like a dream without throwing away everything you own. And stick around till the end, because I'll share one simple trick that can instantly double your storage space. And it's easier than you think. We all know that feeling. You walk into your kitchen and suddenly it's overwhelming. There are too many things on the counter, your cabinets are overflowing, and somehow, no matter how often you clean, the clutter always comes back. Sound familiar? But imagine this, a kitchen where everything has its place. No mess, no stress, just a clean, open space that feels as good as it looks. That's the magic of minimalist kitchen organization. And here's the best part. You don't have to get rid of everything or sacrifice style to achieve it. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate minimalist kitchen organization hacks that will transform your space into a sleek, modern, and highly functional cooking haven. Let's start with the most important step, decluttering. Before we talk about fancy storage solutions, let's address the real issue: too much stuff. Clutter is the #1 thing standing between you and a minimalist kitchen. But don't worry, I'm not about to tell you to throw everything away. Instead, let's be strategic. Here's what works. First, grab 3 things: a donation box, a trash bag, and a maybe pile. Go through your kitchen and ask yourself, when was the last time I actually used this? If it's been over a year, chances are you don't need it. And here's a simple rule to follow: the 1 in, 1 out method. Anytime you bring in a new kitchen gadget, commit to removing something old. This keeps clutter from piling up over time. Once you've cleared out the unnecessary items, it's time to focus on organization, because a minimalist kitchen isn't just about having less. It's about making the most of what you have. All right, now that we've decluttered, let's talk about smart storage. The biggest mistake people make? Ignoring vertical space. Most kitchens have so much wasted space, especially in cabinets and on walls. Here's an easy fix. Install floating shelves. Not only do they give you extra storage, but they also add a modern minimalist touch to your kitchen. Another game changer? Drawer dividers. If your drawers are a mess of utensils, cutting boards, and random kitchen tools, these dividers will instantly bring order. Plus, they make everything easier to find. Magnetic strips are another must-have. Instead of cluttering your countertop with a bulky knife block, mount a sleek magnetic strip on the wall to store knives and metal utensils. It saves space and looks ultra-modern. And don't forget tiered shelves for your pantry. They allow you to see everything at a glance, so you don't end up buying 5 bottles of olive oil because you forgot what's hiding at the back. Now that we've tackled storage, let's talk about something just as important: functionality. Minimalism isn't just about making your kitchen look good, it's about making it work better. Because let's be honest, if your kitchen isn't functional, no amount of organization will fix the frustration of cooking in it. One simple trick is to keep daily essentials within arm's reach. Store frequently used items, like spices, cooking oils, and utensils, near the stove, while rarely used appliances can go in cabinets or storage bins. Another genius hack: use clear containers. Whether it's for dry goods in the pantry or leftovers in the fridge, clear storage makes it easy to see what you have, reducing food waste and keeping everything visually clean. And if you want to take it a step further, try color coding. Organizing your kitchen by color, whether it's food items, dishes, or storage bins, can help you find things faster and create a seamless aesthetic. Now, let's make sure your kitchen stays this way for the long run. You've done the hard part, decluttering, organizing, and optimizing your kitchen. But how do you keep it that way? The key is building simple daily habits. For starters, follow the clean-as-you-go rule. Instead of letting dishes pile up, wash them immediately after use. It sounds small, but it makes a huge difference. Another habit: never leave a surface cluttered overnight. Before going to bed, take 2 minutes to clear your countertops. Waking up to a clean kitchen sets the tone for the whole day. And if you ever feel like clutter is creeping back in, do a quick 5-minute reset at the end of the week. Scan your kitchen, put things back where they belong, and get rid of anything unnecessary. Minimalism is not about perfection, it's about intentionality. And when your kitchen is designed to be simple, functional, and clutter-free, you'll actually enjoy spending time in it. And there you have it, the ultimate minimalist kitchen organization hacks. With just a few changes, you can transform your space into a modern, functional, and stress-free cooking haven. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on more home design tips.